Learn English conversation, listening and speaking English practice. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, especially chocolate.
What's your favorite game?
I enjoy playing soccer.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I love books.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like Mission Impossible.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite animal?
I like a rabbit.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love the pool.
What's your favorite snack?
I like popcorn.
Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, I like basketball.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like science.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, it's exciting.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Thanksgiving.
Do you like videos game?
Yes, they're fun.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like the American Got Talent.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing in the shower.
What's your favorite drink?
I love lemonade.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, it's so relaxing.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, it's so much fun.
What's your favorite kind of music?
I like pop music.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I like making cookies.
What's your favorite book?
I love Harry Potter's.
Do you like going to the zoo?
Yes, I love animals.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Yes, I love Spider-Man.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like mint chocolate chip.
Do you enjoy going to the movies?
Yes, it's always fun.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I love gummy bears.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, they're so funny.
What's your favorite thing about school?
I like seeing my friends.
Do you enjoy puzzles?
Yes, they're challenging.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love going to the park.
Do you like to ride bikes?
Yes, it's really fun.
What's your favorite app?
I like playing games on my phone.
Do you like to collect anything?
Yes, I collect stickers.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes.
Do you enjoy board games?
Yes, they're so much fun.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to listen to music.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, they're exciting.
What's your favorite kind of cookie?
I love chocolate chip.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, it's great.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
I like orange juice.
Do you enjoy storytelling?
Yes, it's fun to create stories.
What's your favorite thing to wear?
I love wearing hoodies.
Do you like going on adventures?
Yes, I love exploring.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen music.
Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.